If you met first AI ever built, you would probably laugh. In 1957, Frank Rosenwald introduced the perceptron, a tiny computer brain that could only answer yes or no. Show it a picture and ask, is this a cat? It would literally draw a straight line and decide. Super basic, right? But from that baby step, we have now reached AI that can write books, design art, and compose music. How did we get from there to here? Let's take the journey. The perceptron. The perceptron was like a toddler with one toy block. All it could do was separate things into two groups. Simple? Yes. Revolutionary? Absolutely. It proved a machine could learn to make decisions on its own. By the 1980s, scientists realized one perceptron was like one lonely brain cell, not very useful. So, they connected thousands together to form neural networks. Now, it was like having an entire choir instead of a solo singer. When the network sang off key, it adjusted itself using backpropagation, basically trial and error until it got it right. But progress wasn't smooth. Computers were too slow, data was too limited, and people lost hope. AI funding dried up. This was called AI winter, a time when AI almost got abandoned. But every winter eventually thaws, and in 2000s, things heated up again. Scientists began stacking neural networks into many layers, creating deep learning, just like learning to ride a bike. Balance first, then paddling, then steering, each layer built on the last. And here's the twist. It wasn't just math that made deep learning explode. It was video games. Well, not the games itself, but GPUs, the graphic chips built for gaming. They turned out perfect for training giant neural networks lightning speed. Then came 2012. A model called LXNet absolutely crushed the ImageNet competition, recognizing objects in images far better than anything before. That single victory showed the world that deep learning wasn't just theory, it was a revolution. And suddenly, AI could see. In 2017, AI hit Warp Seed, a paper boldly titled Attention is All You Need, introduced the Transformers. Before this, AI read text like us, word by word, left to right. Transformers said, no, let's read the whole thing at once. Using attention, they could instantly connect the start of the sentence to the end, or even chapter 1 to chapter 20. It gave AI superpowers in language and laid the foundation of today's models like GPT. But there's a secret sauce. It wasn't just transformers, it was scale. Billions of parameters, oceans of text and images, suddenly size itself became intelligence. And with that, we entered the age of generative AI. These models don't just recognize patterns, they create. GPT writes, diffusion models paint, multimodal AI can juggle text, images, audio, even video. It's like going from food critic who can describe flavors to a master chef inventing entirely new dishes. So in just 70 years, we have gone from one perceptron drawing straight lines to AI that writes code, designs art, and holds conversations. The journey wasn't a straight climb. It had winters, breakthroughs, and even video game chips powering science. But each step built the foundation of the AI revolution we are living in right now. Now, I want to ask you, what's the most surprising or coolest thing you have ever seen AI do? Drop in the comment section because chances are your answer is the part of the evolving story. See you in the next session. Till then, like, share, and subscribe to Aadharshala Coding Classes.